Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell multiple digital products on Systeme. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can do this. The first thing we're going to do is once we're in our dashboard is to click on this funnels option right here at the top options. Then, we're going to create a new funnel. In here, just type in the name of your new funnel. Add in a funnel domain and choose your funnel goal. May it be for building an audience, selling a product, custom funnel from scratch, or to run an evergreen webinar for the automation of your business. And then, choose here the currency of your site. Once created, click on it and then it will take you to your funnel details. You will see here the pages that are included in your site. For mine, I already have an order form, a thank you page for when someone purchases from me, and of course, my main selling page. You may add a step here like an upsell, an inline form, a contact page, and more if you want. For this, I'm going to focus on teaching you my selling page where we can sell multiple digital products. I'm going to click on this so that Systeme would show me the step configuration page of my selling site. In here, choose Edit Page. Take note that Systeme provides you with a template that you can easily use to display your products, which makes selling so much easier. And here, as you can see, I already have my products displayed. All you have to do here is to modify the details that you have to change. For example, you want to change the name of your site or you want to change your selling point. Now, displaying multiple products already comes with your template. To modify these products, all you have to do is to change the picture, change the name, and the price. To change the display photo, click the photo and in the left side options, navigate to background. In the background image selection, upload a photo that you would like to replace this. To change the product name, simply click on the product name here and modify. Do the same thing with the price. And do the same thing with the rest. Now, what if you're selling a digital product and you're gonna want your customers to purchase this through downloading a link? What you're gonna do is to simply highlight the name of your product or whatever prompt you prefer, like a download here button. Highlight it and then click on the link icon right here. You may type in the URL if you want them to be redirected to another website, or link the file by clicking on this icon. Upload your file and save it. And that's it. You have now successfully displayed multiple digital products on Systeme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!